Hey guys, so today we're going to be making another toilet paper roll craft. We're going to be making this cute little black cat. You don't need very many supplies for this one, but what you need is a old toilet paper roll, some black paint and a paintbrush. You're going to need a Sharpie, a white colored pencil. If you have some googly eyes, you can use googly eyes. If you don't have googly eyes, then you can just use some white paper in the Sharpie and make your own. You're gonna need some pink paper and some black paper, some glue, and some tape. All right, let's get started. So the first step in this project is to take your black paint and to paint your toilet paper roll all black. Then you can use a blow dryer to get it dry really fast. We've already done that. So here is my toilet paper roll. So the first thing that I'm going to do now is I'm going to flatten the top of my toilet paper roll just a little bit, just enough to where I can then push the inside down towards the back. Turn it around, do the same thing on this side. If you saw our toilet paper roll owl video, we did the same thing for the owl to make these little pointy ears for our owl. So we're gonna make the same thing for our cat to make the little pointy ears for our cat. All right, there we go. Okay, if you have googly eyes at home, you can use googly eyes. If you don't have googly eyes, you can get some white paper, cut out some circles, and then you can create your own kitty cat eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and just give this kitty cat a little pupil with a highlight, color that in. I'm gonna do the same thing here. Nice big round pupil with a highlight and color the pupil in black. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and use my glue and get those eyes glued on there. One here and here. This kitty cat's gonna have big eyes. Make sure you put that white highlight in the same spot. Oh, that's the back. No wonder, I thought that was looking a little weird. Okay, let's try that again. There we go. That looks better. Okay, so there's my kitty cat eyes. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my pink paper and I'm gonna make a little triangle nose for my kitty cat. So what I need to do is I'm gonna need to take one of my corners and just snip at an angle to make this triangular nose, okay? So that's a little big. So since that one's a little big, I'm just gonna hold the tip of the nose and I'm just gonna trim it down a little bit. That's good size. All right, I'm gonna put some glue right there. Glue on my little kitty cat's nose. All right, now to make it look a little bit more like a kitty cat, not a little black owl, I'm gonna add some whiskers. So I'm gonna use my white colored pencil and I'm just gonna add 3 whiskers on this side and 3 long whiskers on that side. Then I'm going to draw the mouth by making a line come down with a little smile on this side and a little smile on this side. Perfect. Okay, now while I have my pink paper out, I'm gonna go ahead and make the little inside part of my cat's ears. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna snip off a corner and then I'm gonna take that triangle and I'm actually gonna snip that triangle in half. I'm gonna add a little bit of glue to this ear and take my triangle. I'm using the long side and that side is facing in. So the pointy side is facing out. I'm just gonna hold that down for a few seconds. Let it get glued on. Okay, same thing on this side. Gonna add some glue. Gonna take the long straight side. It's going to point towards my kitty. Hold that ear down. Let it get glued on. There we go. All right, so there's my kitty cat's ears. Okay, So now let's go ahead and let's make the paws and the tail for the kitty cat. So I'm gonna get this black paper. I just need a little scrap piece of black paper, and I'm gonna make the tail. So along this edge, I'm just gonna cut a really thin strip of paper like this. And then I'm gonna use either my Sharpie or my colored pencil, and I'm gonna hold one end and I'm gonna twist it around that colored pencil. And what this is gonna do is this is gonna give me a real curly Q tail. Woo, see? All right, then I'm gonna unravel it just a little bit, softly like this, okay? And I'm going to use my tape to actually put this on the back of my kitty cat. So I'm gonna get a little bit of tape. I'm gonna stick it to my tail, and then I'm gonna find a little spot where that tail can either pop out to the side or pop up at the top where I can see it. And I'm gonna tape that on. I can even kind of bend it a little bit. There we go, so that we can see the little tail popping out from behind. Isn't that cute? All right, so let's make the paws. So what I'm gonna do is take my black paper and I'm going to fold it, and I'm gonna make those paws by using my white colored pencil and drawing a big hill and then cutting it out. And my fold is facing me. So I'm cutting it out. I like to fold and then cut when I'm gonna make two things that I want to be the same size. When I open it up, I just need to snip right there on that little line. And I have two little paws. Okay, I'm gonna use my white colored pencil and I'm gonna give him some little fingernails, little claws for his paws. And then I'm going to fold a little tab up. See how I folded that little tab up? Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing on this paw. I'm gonna fold and make a little tab up like that. Okay, now I can use glue or I can use tape. I've actually found that the tape works a little bit better. So I'm gonna use tape and I'm gonna put it on that little tab. I'm gonna put him up inside the little toilet paper roll, press, get that tape stuck down in there, and there's one little paw. Can you see it? Isn't that cute? Okay, and then let's go ahead and get some tape. Do the same thing for this one. I'm gonna push it up in there and press, get it really stuck in there. And there we go. I have two little paws. So let's go ahead and make the little back paws for my kitty cat. Now these ones should be a little bit bigger than the front paw. So I'm gonna make a bigger hill, a little bit wider. Remember the fold is right here, facing me. I'm gonna cut that one out. All right, I open it up, and they're stuck together. I'm gonna cut on that fold. Okay, we'll give these little back paws some claws too. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, okay? And then I'm gonna fold a tab up on both paws, fold a tab up, that. We're gonna get a little bit of tape. And then this little paw, I want it to be out more over here on the side. So I'm going to press it, really get that tape stuck, fold it up. Same thing on this side. There we go, press it down. Get that tape really stuck in there. And then fold that little foot up. All right, and then our little kitty cat has 4 little paws. You can see it if I stand him up like that. There we go. Isn't that cute? So you can make a couple of them and you can have a whole entire little cat family. They don't have to be they don't have to be black. You could have gray cats, you could do white cats, you could have cats that have polka dots on them or stripes, but I wanted to show you how to make these cute little black cats using some toilet paper rolls. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure that you like and share and subscribe so you know when new videos are coming. Thanks for watching.